step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another day of the vlog. Today is the last day of the trip. We just checked out the Airbnb and we're about to go find something to do. Me and Mike's little feedings look a mess now, but we're about to go find something to do until we get ready to get on our flight. We're about to go to, I think they call it the world's largest McDonald's or something, with the play what you call it, video games and all that type of stuff. So we're about to go there, and then after that I'll probably end the vlog, so I will see y'all in a little bit. Somebody had their little part of their little egg. Huh? Oh. Ooh. Everybody named Mama up in here. Damn.
NT, you made this?
Huh? Okay, you see this car coming? You have to make sure they're gonna stop. He must want to get recorded. He see me with my camera.
He sat down, I see you. I'm like, is you cool?
We at the mall in Millennium. Mall in Millennium, however you see it.
I'm on that good channel.
Kyrie, let Anya go in first. Look at this. This is so cute. For $20 though, I don't think so. Gonna turn quick as hell.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on our minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, blah, blah, away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga hops on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get KB, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, Top Gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, Count up the merchants, I promise some pressure. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they talking my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more hair than a tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah. yeah. I got a rich and get no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she need me. That's what you get when you think of a marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on the bed. Got me sad. It's so hard, it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs, found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so paid. Move them bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. The niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, yeah. Rich nigga house on seats, yeah. All of these hoes can't with it, yeah. All them other kids can't beat it, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation, yeah.
Go this way. Go this way. Let's get strong on your ass. What? Oh my God. Oh Lord. Go this way. This way, in the middle. What? We matching with our pink.
It took me under.
It did. Amayas and Anye over there in the sand. Ooh. I had a little nip slip. I had to cover myself up. These waves powerful as hell. Bye bye, y'all. Ah! Dang. These strong. Ooh. This right here. Oh! I was talking about Maya. I said he's trying to get in there. Probably can't see me, but the waves is whipping my ass. It's like my lashes coming off of everything. Thank you. Go ahead. Look over here and see what you're gonna get. Oh wow, they need to. It says enter. I moved you right there on purpose. Oh, okay.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene.
Step out, get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out.